Hey guys, in this video, we're going to build a Moonlander game using Grok AI without writing a single line of code. Grok will generate the code for us, and we'll simply use it to create our game. We'll be using the latest AI model from Grok AI to generate the code for this game. Our goal is to make a Moonlander game in JavaScript and HTML with thruster controls, realistic gravity, and a landing system on an uneven terrain. So let's get started. The first step is to generate the code using Grok AI. Here's the prompt I'm using. Code me a Moonlander game in JavaScript and HTML. The game should have bottom, left, and right thrust with flame effects, an uneven terrain with a few flat spots for landing, and cool graphics. I also enabled Think mode in Grok AI to get better and more optimized results. Now, we wait for about 2 minutes while Grok processes the request and generates the game. Once Grok provides the code, we get two main files. Index.html, the main HTML file, game.js, the JavaScript file for game logic. Now let's copy the HTML file and open VS Code. Before pasting the code, make sure you have the live server extension installed in VS Code. This will allow us to run the game directly in the browser. Once installed, create a new file named index.html and paste the code from Grok. Now let's copy the game.js file. Create a new file named game.js and paste the JavaScript code inside it. Till now, we haven't written a single line of code ourselves. Everything is generated by Grok AI. Now, let's test our Moonlander game. Click on Go Live in VS Code to start the server. Open a new browser tab and paste the live server URL. And there we have it. The game is running. Pressing up arrow applies thrust to move the spaceship upwards. Pressing left and right arrows tilts the spaceship in those directions. If it crashes, you can reload the game to restart. The game is fully functional, but we can see a few issues. The stars are moving too fast in the background. The terrain doesn't look great. The gravity feels off, making movement less realistic. Let's improve these using further prompts in Grok AI. To improve the gameplay, I'll give Grok this new prompt. Keep the stars slower, add a velocity display below the fuel, and add a restart button that reloads the page. After about 1 minute, Grok AI updates the game code. Now let's copy and paste the updated code into our VS Code files and test it again. Opening the game again, we can see the improvements. Velocity display is now visible under the fuel bar. A restart button has been added, so we don't need to manually refresh the page. The background and graphics look much smoother. The game feels much more polished now. This was a quick and easy way to create a game using Grok AI without writing code ourselves. If you want to customize the game, you can tweak the parameters inside game.js. For example, you can modify gravity strength, thrust power, fuel limits, and landing difficulty. Try experimenting with these values to make the game feel exactly how you want. That's it for this video. I'll leave the code and playable version in the description and comments so you can try it out yourself. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI-generated game development content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.